Is Bitcoin on the bull run? Well, what if I told you a highly respected investor who still believes Bitcoin has no consumer or commercial application is more bullish than ever on Bitcoin? Sounds almost hypocritical, right? Well, I'm going to unpackage this to help you make more informed decisions about your crypto investing. And before we do, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay more informed. A simple click is all it takes, and really, I appreciate the support. First, we're going to want to consider this investor whose name is Steve Weiss, the chief investor of Short Hills Capital and a frequent visitor and contributor on CNBC. And he is really bullish on Bitcoin, despite his self-professed cynicism towards Bitcoin and its utility in business and consumer contexts. Now, this stance is really fascinating and somewhat paradoxical. Weiss acknowledges the lack of a solid business and consumer use case for Bitcoin, yet he sees it as a viable investment purely based on supply and demand dynamics. His investment rationale is not rooted in the belief in the technology or its application, but in market momentum and the influx in true believers in Bitcoin. Now, his analysis is purely based on the network effect of markets, not the viability of the product. And this analysis is mostly focused on new markets Bitcoin will be exposed to that it has not had access to, which will expose the coin to more investors. Now, keep in mind, there's this old saying to buy the rumors and sell the news, and this is sounding a lot like news already. However, Weiss is seeing sentiment that could foster the next crypto wave, and it's likely being held up by US government agency. But to better understand why the potential bull run could occur, we need to consider where this speculative momentum could be coming from. Now, the sentiment being that the traditional financial investors, such as Weiss, see another cryptocurrency wave incoming. And here's why. These investors, they're all result driven, and they are seeing the potential and the likelihood of a Bitcoin ETF becoming approved in January, with BlackRock being one of the big major backers. In fact, a Cointelegraph article notes that Bloomberg's ETF analysis has upgraded the likelihood of an ETF happening to over 65%. An approved ETF would now attract institutional investors, significantly impacting Bitcoin's price because of the exposure, but also it would transform the average investor's perception of now the legitimacy of Bitcoin, further driving positive perception, sentiment, and speculative momentum that I had mentioned earlier. Now, another factor to consider is the accumulation of Bitcoin by significant stakeholders, including whales, or these entities holding large amounts of Bitcoin. On-chain analytics indicate a trend reversal, with major investors trading stablecoins now for Bitcoin. And this accumulation, coupled with record-breaking participation from smaller entities throughout 2023, suggests a growing confidence in Bitcoin's future. Now, this means the cryptocurrency market is funneling itself into primary coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we also need to consider historical patterns and the halving event that's going to be coming in 2024. Bitcoin's historical price trends and the upcoming halving event that's going to come in April next year, 2024, Bitcoin's price has exhibited this kind of cyclical behavior, often aligning with its 4-year halving. Now, the halving, which reduces the rate of Bitcoin creation, has historically been a precursor to a bull run. And this pattern suggests that we might be on the cusp of another significant price surge, potentially reaching over $100,000. Now, while these factors provide a strong argument for bullish future, it's also essential to remember that the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. Investors should approach this with caution, armed with thorough research and understanding of the diverse factors at play. And here at Market Pulse, we look to keep you up to date on these factors. So thanks for watching. If you gained value from this analysis, please like and subscribe. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe out there while you navigate these financial tides with confidence.